everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for, I forgot what day we're looking at. I think it's September 30th. Why is there no date on it? Yeah, September 30th to Saturday, October 6th. It's going to be a medium kind of week. I feel like Walgreens is just not the greatest. We still have one more month left until they start doing those points things. So if you guys have points to spend, go for it. I'm still saving my points because I do feel like I will be using them. I just won't have as much in my account like I've had in the past. So if you guys are new to that, I did make a video about Walgreens changing. Sorry, I dropped something. But on the first page, they have the deals of the week, and they have Reese's candy for $1.99. Now, I do know there is some coupons that we just got this past Sunday's paper for $1 off of 2 in the 923 Smart Source. You guys want to use that coupon, you guys would end up paying $2.98 for 2 bags of candy. That comes out to be like $1 something, $1.50 a piece, which can be an okay deal. Here we got Captain Crunch and Oreos, Oreo-O's cereal. We do have $1 off of 2 Captain Crunch coupon for Quaker brand for in the 8.5 Retail Me Not. You guys buy 2 of them, you guys end up paying $2.76, or get them for $1.38 if you guys are interested in something like that. Not much else going on. They do have Candy 3 for $9. I do know we have a 2 off a 2 off of 3 coupon, so it's not the greatest, but I'm really hoping to find some more deals. Revlon is buy one get one 50% off. You do get 3,000 points when you guys buy 2. Now I do know there are some Revlon coupons on coupons.com that you guys could print for like the lips, so you guys might be able to do that deal with the I can't remember those little balm thingies. I can't think of it. I buy them all the time. Here they got some like food. Not much else going on. Theater candy for $4. That's a great deal if you want to sneak in candy to the movie theater. Otherwise, Russell Stover is 4 for $2. A lot of food deals, but not like anything we really have coupons for. Halloween stuff is buy one get one 50% off. More cereal, $3.49, and some bacon and eggs and all that jazz. Now we're here in the cleaning section. Now they do have this for the Dawn and the Puffs. They do have it for 99 cents. I do know we're getting a 25% off coupon for the Puffs. For the Puffs, but then it says you get 10,000 points if you guys spend 30. Now I'm like, who the heck is going to buy 30 things of tissue paper and dish soap? I think that is crazy, but it'll continue on to the last page. I'll show you guys that. But they do got like Bounce and Downy. We'll be getting $1 off coupons in the P&G, making it $2.99. Yeah, nothing really popping up. If you guys need some socks, they got some socks for $1. So those are great socks to give if you guys need like a little gift or something. Some toys are going to be $9.99. They got Harry Potter stuff. Still trying to do this back to school stuff. We got Airwick $4.99. Now we are getting multiple different types of coupons, so if you guys are interested in something like that, there could be some easy deals. Speaking of photo, if you guys are watching this, I will be doing a free 8x10 photo that expires in a couple days. I have to do that video still, so stay tuned for that. I will be posting that video soon. I always do 8x10s. Those are great photos to give, especially for the holidays coming up. Great gifts, but a lot of medicine is always on sale. Always on sale. This is kind of their little medicine deal. Now they got some other things. Advil $5.99. We're getting $2 off coupons, making it $3.99. Nothing that's really popping off at me in the medicine section. Now we're in the personal care section. So they have a L'Oreal Leave 2 for $8. We are getting a 3 off of 2 coupon in this Sunday's paper. Plus there's also a 2 off of 2 coupon that is gonna be in the new booklet. I haven't gotten the booklet yet. I'm sorry, you guys. I just avoid the one store as much as possible now, so I haven't been able to get early ads for you guys. But yeah, you can get those for about $1.50 a piece, so $3 or $1.50 each. Not much else going on. Head & Shoulders is buy one get one 50% off. We are getting a 3 off of 2. Otherwise, yeah, not much else going on. Tone and Dial Body Wash is buy one get one free. I think there is a $1 off coupon that you guys can still print off of coupons.com. The hand wash and the bar soap is 2 for $5 if you guys are interested in that. And now we're on the last page of the Walgreens ad. Now this is the ad directly from the website. They post this always on Wednesday, so you guys can check it out. But here is the rest of the spend 30, get 10,000 points. So they have the Tide Pods with it. They have the Pantene included. They have diapers and they have paper towels. So maybe you guys can figure out some kind of scenario for you guys if you guys are interested in that. But otherwise, there's not much else going on. I feel like the sales are going to be kind of bland for the rest of the year. I think they're just having some problems, or just something's going on that they're just not having the greatest sales. But you know what? That's okay. But if you guys enjoy this type of video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so I can show you guys more deals, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.